Good. Right. Okay. Fine. So gave you the recording permissions, guys. You can record the session. Okay. We'll close in 5 to 10 minutes. It won't take much time. Okay. Right. So now instead of okay, now someone joined in the DBA team. New person joined. Let's go with okay, Mahesh only. Okay. So we don't do anything, guys. If Mahesh joined in the company from SQL DBA side, we don't do anything. Simply we'll ask Mahesh, hey Mahesh, please ask Windows team to add your account into the SQL DBS group. Why? Because we are not authorized persons to add the users into the groups. Now I have access, I am doing all these things, but in the organization, creating users, creating groups, adding users into the groups, it's not in our hands. If Mahesh joined in the company, I don't do anything, but still Mahesh get the access. How he will get the access? We will request Mahesh to check with Windows team. Mahesh has to raise a request for Windows team. What Windows team will do? They will simply add Mahesh account into the SQL DBS group. Automatically, this SQL DBA group is created in how many servers? All the servers Mahesh can log in and Mahesh can connect. Nothing I'm doing as a SQL DBA. I'm doing zero here. No action I'm doing to give the access to Mahesh. Simply, Mahesh should be added in the SQL DBS group. As SQL DBA login is already created in this SQL server, like this, in 100 SQL servers, if this group is existed, Mahesh can log into all the SQL servers. Clear, guys?
Clear.
Everyone? Any issues, any doubts? Okay, so for example, what Windows team will do now? Windows team, of course, Mahesh account is already there. If not, they will create an account for Mahesh. Okay, Mahesh, and they will give strong password for Mahesh. Okay, and let me create Mahesh. After this, what they will do once Mahesh is created, they will go to the groups. They will double click on the groups. They will add Mahesh here automatically. Now, in which server SQL DBS group is there? Okay, in all the servers, Mahesh can connect. So don't think like only these people can connect. See here, this is a group login. In this group, 2 persons will be there, 20 persons will be there, 200 persons will be there. We have a query for that. We have a query to check who are the members of this group. Why? Because you don't have access, right? Usually you can get, okay, you can see like this. You can directly open luser.mgr.msc. Of course, these groups are not going to be created internally, right? In the server, right? They will create in the Active Directory, right? So you don't have access to go to the Active Directory. To connect to Active Directory, you don't have access. But you still want to see who are the members of this group. There is a query for that, xp_login info. Okay, xp_login info. In which group you want to see, drag and drop that group name. Okay. What you want to see? I want to see all the members of this group. Okay, just type members and execute it. Okay, see here, Bashir, Mahesh, Satish, Shankar, Vinod. You can see all the persons of this group. Sometimes we'll get this kind of requests. Hey, please check whether the user is there in this group or not. How can you check as you don't have access to Active Directory? Only Windows team can check, but we can still check using this query who are the members of the group. Clear, guys? That means all these 5 people can connect to my SQL server. Satish account is not there. Vinod account is only there. Mahesh account is not there, but still Mahesh can connect. See here, let me connect as Mahesh. What I can do, right click, I'm going to open Management Studio with run as different user. I'll give Mahesh credentials. Okay, Mahesh tab. I'll give Mahesh password 1, 2, 3.
Sir, will server restart will on.
Not required, not required. See why I restarted server earlier. So don't
Yes,
go
sir.
in that way, guys.
Sir, we have used
Unfortunately, I
Eclipse
just
mode.
choose it wrong instance. I thought it is not working properly, so that's why I restarted. Okay. Then I selected correct instance, right? Now no need to restart. And don't think whenever you create a new login, new user, you have to restart the server. Then we have to keep on restarting the server itself. Okay. Right. So I just selected the server name and Mahesh, you can see here, click connect, automatically Mahesh can connect. Okay. If you see here, there is no Mahesh login. There is no separate login for Mahesh. See here, NTR, that is system, SQL Server, agent, telemetry, writer, Windows management, SA pass, SQL login, administrator pass, a username, and Vinod login, Dev, Krishna, DBS. There is no Mahesh, but still Mahesh can connect. Why? Why?
He
Because
is
he is
the
a
person
member.
in group.
Equal
Yes.
DBS group. All these 5 persons can connect. All the 5 persons can have same access, right, guys? Don't think each one will get different access. No, that's not possible. Okay.
Right.
So as discussed, if you are a member of WhatsApp group, like other people's
So
what
if
and all messages, what and all photos, they can see all photos. You also can see. You also can see, right? In the same way, you cannot provide individual permissions to the users in the group. We don't have that feasibility. The whole group will have access. If the whole group is having connect access, it will connect. If there is no connect access, it won't connect. If it is having read access, all people will have read access only. If the whole group is having write access, all people in the group will have write access only. Same permissions will be there on the whole group for the whole members.
sir, if someone a group will restart the server, then how will you know that?
Sorry, someone?
Someone in the group will restart the server.
Hmm.
So how will you check who is that person?
That for that you have to go for SQL Server error log. Okay, even though you are logged in as you are not going to logged in as SQL DBS, right? You will logged in with your name only, right? It will clearly track you who restarted the server and all. Okay, it will mention in the error log. It will show you clearly this person restarted his computer name / Vinod restarted the server. It will log you, not restarted, shut down the server. Okay, like that. You don't see restart option. Okay, in the error log you can see that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so everyone have yes, everyone will have own passwords, Sashi. Everyone will have own passwords. Okay, so Vinod password is different, Mahesh password is different. They all can have access with their own passwords. Don't think like common password will be there for them. Okay, so that's it, guys. And, tomorrow we'll discuss about user roles and all. We have server roles, database roles, which will take some time to discuss. Tomorrow we'll try to complete server roles, then we'll discuss database roles. Okay, then after that, tomorrow I'll show you how to give access on database. Okay, on one database, how to give access, on multiple database, how to give access. Can we create common password to everyone? Of course, that is your wish. You can create it. It won't check whether this is common password or not. It will check whether password is meeting the requirements or not. That's it.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this SQL DBA group is not limited to particular instance, sir.
How come? Why like that? If you are created in this server, it is limited to this server only. If you created the group in another server, that is limited to that server only.
Is there any limit of members
No,
for
no, no,
that?
no limit. Actually, you can create 32,767 logins. That is the only limit.
Okay.
There
Okay.
is no limit like 100, 200 and all. Nothing like that. In the group,
Sir,
how many you want, you can add it. Depends
so
upon
we
your.
have created the SQL DBA group, right, sir?
Yes.
So in under SQL DBA, how many logins we are created?
Your wish, your wish. That's what we are saying. Okay. That's what we are discussing. There is no limit.
Or how many groups we are created, sir?
There is no
Like,
limit for that also.
right.
Okay. The limit we have is
Only
32,767.
32,000.
That is the
Only
limit.
limit we have that. Okay.
Yes.
We
We can
create
like this. You can see right
32,000
10 or
groups.
20 is there, right? Like this, we can create 32,767. Either those are individual logins or group logins. That is your wish. We don't create that many. Hardly you can see 20, 30 people will be there. If individual logins, sometimes 100, 200 people also will be there. If group logins, hardly 10 to 20. That's it.
Got it.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
That's it, guys. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll connect at 7 o'clock. Okay. Thank you all. Bye.